Hi guys, we're on the edge of Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I thought I'd make another delicious, tasty treat for you. And I just cut myself a piece. This walnut chocolate cake. It's really good. Had a piece already. And stay tuned to watch how to make it. So you're gonna need your chocolate of choice, flour, baking soda, oil, whipped cream, salt, vanilla flavors, coffee, white wine vinegar, sugar, a chocolate for a glaze, egg, the walnuts, and your average stirring containers and measuring spoons. So your first wave is to microwave 2 ounces of chocolate for 2 minutes. Here we're putting 1/4 cup of oil with the chocolate. Put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and check it every 45 seconds or so and stir it till it melts. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of coffee, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of whipped cream. After you mix all that in, you shake it for about 2 minutes. Once you've got everything mixed in, you take your walnuts, ground them down, and pour them into here. 1/2 cup. Pour your mix into a microwave safe bowl. Now your mix goes into microwave for 6 to 8 minutes, and then you stir it every once in a while for even cooking. So I have this in here for about 8 minutes total, and about every 2 minutes I just flip, twist, and restart. I forgot to mention earlier that you're going to need a toothpick in order to test whether or not it's cooked well enough. So if it comes out clean, we're good. And nothing stuck to it, so we know we're good. Use a knife and run it along the edges of your cake. Take a plate, and here's your cake. And then you can simply take your chocolate syrup and glaze it over your cake. This wasn't in the intro, but I decided to use sweetened coconut flakes as my topping. If you like the video, rate, comment, subscribe, like. Let me know what you think. See you guys on the next one. It's the next morning after we made my chocolate walnut cake, and it's even better cold in the refrigerator, and I've noticed that with a lot of foods. Better cold the next day from the refrigerator. Oh good.